LLC or entity formation. After you get your business plan together and you crunch your numbers and you did your due diligence, you want to go ahead and form your entity. So LLC, the number one people get an LLC, guys, is for asset protection, right, guys? Ultimately, if your company was to ever get sued, your personal assets are protected in most cases, depending on how you structure it, as long as you keep everything separate in that LLC. LLCs are also easy as far as being managed. There's a lot of red tape involved with corporations, which is why a lot of people favor the LLCs just for easier startups. Again, you don't have to file nearly as much paperwork, and there's a much easier record keeping system for an LLC as well. Now, guys, there's a lot of companies out there that do it for free, and most of them will do it for free. They just upcharge you, upsell you on the EINs and the additional services they can offer. Right here, guys, I got 3 different companies that are offering LLC services. BizZ.com is one that I prefer. I send all my clients over there, and they're definitely the ones, guys. So that's what we got for the LLC. Now, again, if you want a more in-depth walkthrough, guys, join me on my school community, the Trucking Academy. I do a more in-depth walkthrough. I just want to do a little surface touch on that. So that's what we got for the LLCs. See you on the next one.